Hi Dan, thank you very much for your inquiry on the Peugeot 208 that we have in stock. As you requested, I will send you a short video where you can see the condition of the vehicle. The vehicle is in very good condition. It's no any dents, scuffs, scratches or marks on the vehicle. You'll see the alloy wheels, it looks very good as well. Very good tires. It's got full service history, and we've done the last service here end of February. It is a very clean vehicle. Before I locked it. And it's got a spare wheel. Yellow wheels as well. The tires. Let me show you the interior. It's got even the mats for 208. $13,346 miles. All the system, air conditioning, and I have the service history for it. As you can see, 18, 19. There is a 20 service, and we've done the other service in 2021. I'm just gonna send the video to you by email, and please, if you like the vehicle, just give me a ring back and we can arrange to view and collect it. Thank you, bye bye.